Introduction. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is a new blockchain-based platform that allows for easier communication and cooperation between different nodes on the network. It also allows for more secure transactions, as well as faster and cheaper transactions. The platform is similar to find out what your current Bitcoin, Ethereum or Monero balance is. What is Ethereum? Ethereum was designed to be a decentralized platform that allows developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. Vitalik Buterin also created Ether, which has the same goal as Ethereum, to enable developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. The network itself is powered by users who can choose to participate and use the network. This means that the more community members there are, the more stable and secure the network becomes. As Ethereum was the first platform to enable smart contracts, it has led the way in defining and creating new use cases. Below are some of the most well-known projects on Ethereum. Ethereum Name Service, DNS, allows users to register domain names in a decentralized manner. Allows users to register domain names in a decentralized manner. Ethereum Name Service, DNS, is a key component of the Ethereum platform. It provides a decentralized solution to the problem of domain name system security. What is the Ethereum Virtual Machine? The Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, is the runtime environment for smart contracts in Ethereum. What is Web 3.0? Defining Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is a web platform that allows for the development of decentralized applications, dApps. It incorporates features such as smart contracts, blockchain technology, and peer-to-peer networking. Web 3.0 has the potential to significantly change the way we use the internet, and could have a significant impact on businesses and consumers. Web 3.0 is a movement and an idea that seeks to improve the web as we know it by creating new standards, protocols, and infrastructure. It is built on the idea that the web should be open source, permissionless, and decentralized. Web 3.0 aims to make the web more efficient, faster, secure, and accessible for all. The Web 3.0 movement is not just a new buzzword, it's the result of years of research and development into blockchain technology. In the Ethereum Virtual Machine, developers can write smart contracts using a Turing-complete language. While the Ethereum Virtual Machine has the ability to create smart contracts, it is not a Turing-complete language. Instead, developers need to use higher-level languages like Solidity. It is a new way of building applications. Apps can be built on top of the existing Ethereum infrastructure, or they can use the new features that are being added to the platform to innovate and create entirely new systems. Web 3.0 is a new web platform that allows developers to build more advanced applications and services that can interact with each other and with the physical world. It offers a variety of new features, such as decentralized apps, smart contracts, and peer-to-peer networking. With Web 3.0, websites will no longer be hosted on centralized servers that can be hacked or censored by governments and corporations. Web 3.0 is different from the traditional internet in that it will use blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger of data that is open to all users and nodes. Users can interact with each other through decentralized apps, dApps, smart contracts, and network communication. The first use case of Web 3.0 is a decentralized version of the Internet that uses more than one blockchain, called a multi-chain. Furthermore, Web 3.0 can also include off-chain transactions, i.e., transactions that are not stored on the blockchain. In the future, Web 3.0 could be used to create a decentralized Internet of Things, IoT. Devices on the Internet will be able to communicate with each other without being controlled by a central server. In order to achieve this goal, users can create a new smart contract on any blockchain. There are two main types of smart contracts. Smart contracts are easily created and executed using the ERC20 standard developed for Ethereum, or any other platform that supports smart contracts. Smart contracts are not really smart, they are just a list of conditions and functions that can be executed when those conditions are met. Because it is the first to use smart contracts, there are a lot of interesting projects in the blockchain space that use Ethereum as a platform. Ethereum supports a wide range of programming languages, called languages, which allows developers to create their own smart contracts using any language they want. dApps are applications that run on the blockchain and use smart contracts for their functionality. Ethereum is often referred to as the second-generation blockchain, after Bitcoin. While Ethereum has a lot of similarities with Bitcoin, they are also very different. They differ in function and purpose. Ethereum was designed to run the programming code of any decentralized application, but also allows for the deployment of distributed applications that go beyond the capabilities of Ethereum. In addition, Ethereum enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications. The Ethereum platform itself is made up of several different components. Fancy software that runs exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud or third-party interference. They are based on blockchain technology where all transactions are stored publicly and verified by network nodes through cryptography. They are designed to work with the Ethereum virtual machine, an order of magnitude faster than the Ethereum network, and also allows for ready deployment of dApps. The first tier is the miners or nodes, and they validate transactions and create new blocks in the blockchain. The second tier is the developers and users who use the Ethereum platform to build applications. Origins of the term, what does it mean? Web 3.0 is a term used to describe the next iteration of the web, which is expected to be more user-friendly and interactive. It will feature new technologies like Web3.js and Ethereum that allow for more secure and efficient transactions between users. With Web 3.0, the web will become an even more powerful platform for businesses and individuals to interact with each other. In this article, we cover some of the basics of Web 3.0, including what it is and its impact on the Internet. Web 3.0, or Web 4.0, also known as the Web of Things, is a term used to describe the next iteration of the web, which is expected to be more user-friendly and interactive. Web 3.0 is expected to be a more interactive version of the current web, and will be driven by a number of new technologies and innovations. This includes blockchain technology, which allows for more secure and efficient transactions between users. Web 3.0 is the third generation of the World Wide Web, and it is characterized by a semantic web that understands and organizes data using metadata. This allows for machine-to-machine communication and the development of intelligent applications that can make decisions on their own. Additionally, Web 3.0 incorporates user interfaces that are more natural to use, such as voice recognition and gesture control, as well as the concept of blockchain that allows for the secure transfer of data across different networks. Web 3.0 is a concept that has been discussed and deployed by Google, Microsoft, IBM, Oracle Corporation, and other companies throughout the world. Web 2.0 is characterized by a more open and interactive system that allows for personalization of content, comments, ratings and other user interactions. Web 2.0 is also characterized by a more advanced and customized search engine, like Google's. The term Web 2.0 refers to the second phase of the Internet that runs on open foundations, which can be distinguished from the first phase, Internet 1.0, see also Internet history. Web 2.0 has been described as an evolution of the web, where it is a more social, interactive and often collaborative process. In 1999, Tim Berners-Lee wrote a proposal for the new web that was envisioned as a more social and collaborative platform, which could be used by everyone. In the mid-2000s, a number of new terms entered the popular lexicon to describe how the web is changing and how online technologies are impacting society. Implications of Web 3.0, how will it change the way we use the Internet? In today's society, the Internet has become a staple in the way people communicate and conduct business. The next step in the development of the Internet is often referred to as Web 3.0 and is expected to change the way we use the Internet. Some of the implications of Web 3.0 include a move away from centralized platforms towards a decentralized web where users have more control over their data, increased use of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology which will help to improve security and trust on the Internet, more seamless integration of different devices, making it easier for people to access information regardless of where they are, greater emphasis on user experience and engagement, with websites becoming more interactive and intuitive. Overall, it is expected that Web 3. There are many examples of Web 3.0 projects currently in use. Some of the most notable include Google's Project Loon, which uses high-altitude balloons to provide internet access to rural and underserved areas, and Facebook's Aquila project, which is working on developing a solar-powered drone that can deliver internet access to remote areas. Other examples include IBM's blockchain-based platform for tracking food safety, and Microsoft's project to create a decentralized identity system that would allow users to control their own personal data. In addition to the aforementioned examples, there are many other Web 3.0 projects currently being worked on. A few notable examples include the Decentralized Identity Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to developing an open standard for decentralized identity, the Web3 Foundation, a group of organizations working together to promote and accelerate the development of the Web 3.0 stack. What is Web 3.0? Zero is a concept that describes the next generation of the Internet. Web 3.0 is a next-generation web, one which is open and decentralized, enabling users to interact with the web in ways never before possible. Web 3.0 is a shift from the current Web 2.0 model of centralized and controlled data sharing, where big companies control users' data and control the information that gets shared with others. Conclusion: what's next for Web 3.0? Web 3.0 has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with the Internet. However, there are still some unanswered questions about how it will be implemented and what benefits it will bring. It is still unclear who will control Web 3.0 or how it will be regulated. Despite these concerns, Web 3.0 is likely to become increasingly popular in the coming years as more people become aware of its potential benefits. The Web 3.0 is a collection of related technologies, concepts and trends which are aimed at creating an open platform that can support the next generation of web apps. The main aim of Web 3.0 is to move the web forward by enabling new user experiences, such as a new kind of decentralized application, DApp, or machine-to-machine communication, M2M. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any updates.